Hey, welcome back to the channel. I read a lot on Facebook groups where people have problems applying clear over decals. A, it's the wrong kind of paint, and B, it's the wrong kind of technique. Today, I'm going to show, and this is body painted white and then decal upon decal upon decal. So the whole thing is just a whole bunch of decals. Now, I did this a while ago, so the decals are set, they're dry. I used solvent and pressed them down with a Q-tip. So these decals are set. So I'm going to show you how I 2K clear over the decals, and hopefully I can answer some questions, solve some problems for you guys. Okay, so this measuring cup has milliliters on it, and this is Splash Paint's clear, and it's 3:1 mix ratio of paint to hardener. So what I'm going to do, give it a stir, and I'm going to fill it just beyond the 2.5 milliliter mark. Take my hardener, and I'm going to go just under the 5 mark. So it's 1 part. And then I know you're not supposed to, but I'm going to thin it because I like thin paint. So I'm going to add 2 parts, or 2 milliliters of Mr. Hobby leveling thinner. Now I know some people like to just shoot it paint and hardener, and that's fine. This is just the way I do it. I give it a stir. Now that I stirred it up, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and let it start doing what it does. All right, it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to turn on the fan, and I'm going to put on a mask so there won't be any more talking from here on out. All right, so now it's time to clear coat, and you'll watch, as you see, I start near the bottom and I work my way up through here, do the tops, come around to the front, do the bottoms, work my way up to here, come to here, same thing, bottom to top, over, do the back, bottom to top, and then I go for the top surfaces. Watching the video, pay attention to the pattern. That's the way I've always done it. If you start at the top and you continue going down, this wet may run. So I found it's better to do from the bottom up. did end up putting up 2 coats of 2 wet coats, not really wet. I'm sorry, I put a mist coat and then a medium wet and another medium wet on top of that. And I got a very, very smooth surface. There's a couple little pieces of dust in it because that's normal. I'm not, hermetically sealed paint booth or anything, but it's good. I'll do some wet sanding and then I may just keep it. I may not even have to shoot a coat on top of this. But this one I did first 3 days ago. This one definitely is going to need a second coat. It's glossy, but it's just not the way I'd like it to be. The second one that I did this week, this is the 2020 car. This is better than the first one, but not quite as good as the third one. So I think I was getting better as I shot clear, one every day. This is the result of the clear that I shot last night. Now some would say this looks syrupy, which I will be cutting this down with the sanding cloths, and it won't look this way anymore. But you can follow the light. You can still see the light. It's not bad. It's really not bad as far as flatness of coat. Because if it was grainy, then you would see a distortion in the light. But it's a good clear coat. And I think with just a little bit of work, I think it'll be even better. But this is the 2013 Goodsmile Racing car. This one is the 2020. And this one is the 2018. These two are from Miniature. The decals are from Miniature. And this is the original Fujimi kit itself, the kit decals. These were a lot easier to work with than this one. And there was more decals on this one as well. But yeah, neat stuff. I hope that this video answered any questions you may have had about applying 2-coat clear over decals. I know it can be kind of scary to put all that time into doing decals and then clear coat it and ruin the whole project. But I hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, I forgot to mention, the decals from Miniature are now available through SK Decals as a distributor, and they are available on hobbyeasy.com. So you can go to the site and order any decals that you've seen me show before. I work with Wenben, and I truly enjoy his decals. Order them now, because when they're gone, they're gone. These are very limited edition decals, and if you don't get them now, you snooze, you lose. You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button. Bye.